Welcome to Dream on Wheels. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Hymer Exsis, a motorhome built around intelligent engineering, compact proportions, and a travel experience that feels both practical and refined. In this video, we'll explore its exterior design, interior layout, kitchen, sleeping arrangement, bathroom, and what it truly offers on the road. From the outside, the Exsis immediately stands apart with its compact and well-proportioned design. This motorhome is built with a strong focus on weight efficiency, something that directly impacts how it performs on the road. Its lighter construction makes it easier to drive, more fuel efficient, and more manageable in different driving conditions. The overall design feels clean and modern. It avoids unnecessary complexity and instead focuses on functionality. Large windows are positioned along the sides, allowing natural light to enter the interior and improving the overall atmosphere inside. Storage compartments are neatly integrated, providing space for travel essentials without disrupting the design. The entry door is wide and positioned for easy access, making everyday use more convenient. This is an exterior built with purpose, efficient, practical, and easy to live with. Step inside and the focus shifts immediately to how open and structured the interior feels. Despite its lighter and more compact nature, the space doesn't feel restricted. At the front, the driver and passenger seats rotate to become part of a comfortable lounge area. This transforms the cockpit into a functional living space. The seating arrangement is designed for both relaxation and practicality. It provides enough room to sit comfortably, dine, or spend time indoors. The dining table is positioned centrally, offering a usable surface without taking over the space. Large windows allow natural light to fill the interior during the day, making it feel bright and open. In the evening, ambient lighting creates a warm and relaxing environment. Everything feels balanced and thoughtfully arranged. Moving into the kitchen, the Exsis continues its focus on efficiency. The layout is compact but carefully designed. You get a cooking area with a stove and sink, positioned for ease of use. The countertop provides enough space for basic meal preparation, making it practical for everyday use. Storage is well organized, with cabinets and drawers offering space for utensils, groceries, and daily essentials. Everything is placed within reach, reducing unnecessary movement while cooking. A refrigerator is included, allowing you to store fresh food and extend your travel time. This is a kitchen designed for real-world use, simple, functional, and reliable. The sleeping setup in the Exsis is designed to provide comfort while maintaining flexibility. Depending on the layout, it may feature twin beds, a fixed bed, or a drop-down bed above the lounge area. Each configuration focuses on maximizing space while ensuring a comfortable sleeping experience. The mattresses provide good support, helping you rest properly after a day of travel. Storage is integrated around the sleeping area, including overhead cabinets and underbed compartments. This helps keep everything organized without cluttering the interior. This is a sleeping area designed to balance comfort and practicality. The bathroom in the Exsis is compact but well designed. Inside, you'll find a toilet, sink, and a shower area, all arranged to maximize usability. The layout is efficient, ensuring everything is within easy reach. While the space is not overly large, it provides everything needed for daily routines. Storage compartments allow you to keep toiletries organized and accessible. Having a bathroom on board adds convenience and independence during travel. Moving into the cockpit, the Exsis continues to deliver a comfortable driving experience. The driver and passenger seats are supportive, making longer journeys easier. The dashboard is clean and intuitive, with controls placed within easy reach. In front of the driver, the instrument cluster is clear and easy to read. A central infotainment system provides access to navigation and media. Large front windows offer excellent visibility, helping maintain confidence on the road. Once parked, the seats rotate to become part of the living area, adding flexibility. What makes the Exsis stand out is how efficiently it supports real travel. It's designed to give you what you need, without unnecessary weight or complexity. You have enough space to move comfortably, enough storage to stay organized, and a layout that simplifies everyday routines. This creates a travel experience that feels smooth and manageable. Whether it's a short trip or extended travel, the motorhome adapts easily. The Hymer Exsis delivers a balanced motorhome experience, combining lightweight design, smart layout, and everyday usability. If you found this tour helpful, consider subscribing to Dream on Wheels for more campervan and motorhome content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.